Today I'm going to give my opinion on the DJI Mavic Air. The drone collapses into a size around the same as a paperback, making it easier to bring along compared to most video capture drones in the market. Throw it in a backpack, drop it in a pouch, or carry it in hand. You can transport the drone in any way you want without any problems. The DJI Mavic Air is a foldable quadcopter equipped with 3-axis gimbal stabilized 12-megapixel camera. In the drone, there are automated shooting modes for 4 different types of panoramic images. 4 modes are horizontal, vertical, 180 degrees and even a 32-megapixel sphere that sticks together from 25 photos. It is stored on the integrated 8GB storage, although there's also a micro SD slot for even greater storage space. There are 7 cameras located on the front, bottom and rear positions of the drone, along with infrared sensors and dual IMUs. These allow it to construct a 3D map of its environment in real time, helping give the drone its extensive autonomous flight capabilities. The DJI Mavic Air has a battery rated at up to 21 minutes of operation, although it can only reach that when flying at a consistent rate of 21 miles per hour. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to The Tech Guy for more videos.